Welcome everybody. Carol here in her art room. In today's video, I'm going to do a modified bloom. It's something new that's going around YouTube right now. My sister did one and a few other people I've seen. So yeah, it's very pretty and you embellish it however you like. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this one and let's get started. Well, here I am, and I'm getting ready to do my bloom. So I'll show you the colors. So I've got turquoise. I've got Deco Art plum. I've got bronze. Whoa, look at that, how pretty. And I've got lavender frost. Peridot green, Deco Art extreme sheen. And I think that's it. And my white cell activator, which is Australian Floetrol and Windsor or Amsterdam white. All right, so I'm going to turn you down and we're going to get started. All right, here we are. We're going to get going. All right, so here's my pillow paint. Show you the consistency. This is Glidden Essentials mixed with my Beautitone eggshell. Just my essentials I thought was a little thin for my recipe, so that's why I mix the two together. So I'm going to get some paint down. So this is a new technique for me, so we'll see how it goes. My sister's Art by Susan King did one, and a couple of other people's. I think a Cindy Vanderveen. And they're very pretty. So I hope mine will be brave. I hope mine will be pretty too. This is just a 4x4 tile I'm trying today on. This is a turquoise. It's turquoise and phthalo green mixed together. And this is a Deco Art Americana satin eggplant. Very pretty. And I have Venetian gold. I thought it was bronze, but it's Venetian gold. It's a really dark gold, so it almost looks bronze. By Deco Art. It's very pretty gold. Whoops. Didn't mean to do that. This is a peridot green. See the consistency? It makes a little bit of a mound. This is a extreme sheen. And this is I always forget the name of this one. Lavender Frost, that's it. Deco Art. All right, so I'm going to use white cell activator. Oh, that's a lot. This is probably too much paint for this little tile. So I'm going to blow with my straw. I've got a air bubble there. Look at that. Colors are pretty together. So I'm going to let the middle settle. Clean my spoon off. I might do two. I'll do them in one order of color, and then the next one I'll do a different order maybe. Okay, so I've got a skewer and I've got some toothpicks. So I'm going to make some designs. Okay, I think I'll tilt it now. It's the opposite direction now. It gets slippery after a while. Gotta be careful. I've had a few of them drop out of my hands. Okay, I'm gonna go this way now. Whoops. And I come back. I might have to thicken my paints a little bit for the next one and see. My arm's in the way there. the skewer's better for this because my paints are thin. If I use a toothpick, I won't be able to see them. I didn't mean to do that. Okay. For some reason, I like them coming out. I'll do some coming in too. Take your time and just have a look around and see what you like to do. Do something here. There. Take a dark color through a light color. There. Oh, I think it's kind of pretty. The colors are really nice. Okay, I think I'm gonna stop for a minute and have a look. Oh, I think I'm gonna leave it. I like it the way it is. So there you go. That's the first one. I'm gonna stop for a minute and I'll come back. See if I can take you in for a close-up with this camera. Hello everybody. This is my dried modified bloom. This dried so awesome. I can't believe it. The shiny paints are so beautiful. Look at that shine. I love it. I love how it's one color up here and gold over here. Really nice. That's my very first one. I'm happy with the results. Stay tuned for more in Carol's Art Room. Please subscribe to my channel. All right, have a good day, everybody. Bye-bye.